we're going to explain how to update a password in CyberArk. This process varies slightly depending on your CyberArk version and your specific setup, but the general steps are consistent. There are several ways to accomplish this, and we'll cover the most common methods. Remember to always follow your organization's security policies and procedures. 1. Using the CyberArk Password Vault web interface. This is the most common method. First, log into your CyberArk Password Vault using your credentials. Then, navigate to the account whose password you need to update. Locate the Change Password or similar option. This is usually a button or link associated with the specific account. Click it. You'll likely be prompted for your current password for verification, followed by inputting the new password twice to confirm. Follow the password complexity rules enforced by your CyberArk environment. This usually involves a minimum length and a combination of uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once entered correctly, click Save or Update. A success message will confirm the change. Remember to also check any audit trails or logs for confirmation of the password change. Using the PVWA, Password Vault Web Access API. For automated password updates, you can leverage the PVWA API. This requires programming knowledge and familiarity with REST APIs or similar technologies. The specific API calls will depend on your CyberArk version, so consult the official CyberArk documentation for details on endpoints and required parameters. Generally, you'll need authentication credentials, the account details, and the new password. The API will handle the password update on the back end. After making the API call, check the response status code to ensure the update was successful. Using the CyberArk client, some organizations use the CyberArk client application for password management. If your organization uses this, the steps will be similar to the web interface method, but done within the client application itself. Locate the target account, then there is normally a change password or equivalent option. The process will then be to input the old and new password twice, similar to the web interface. Safe management. Some passwords are associated with safes and may require additional steps to modify. In such cases, you might need specific permissions and may have to open the safe first. The password change process would then happen within the context of that specific safe. Always adhere to the instructions and permissions assigned to you within your organization's CyberArk setup. Important considerations. Always follow your company's security policies when changing passwords. Note the password complexity requirements and any restrictions on password reuse. Record the updated password in a secure location if appropriate, following your company guidelines. Never share your CyberArk credentials with anyone. Regularly review audit logs to confirm successful password updates. And lastly, ensure you use strong and unique passwords for all your accounts.